Krishna and Dandavat Pranam everyone. Thank you all for joining. So first of all, wishing you all a happy Navratri. आज पहला दिन है नवरात्रि का एंड तो आज का टॉपिक मैंने सोचा कि प्रिपेयरिंग आवर सेल्व्स फॉर वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सर्विस which we can do towards Lord Krishna. And today's youth, all of us, we need to really understand the importance of um, certain rules and regulations which we should follow. So yeah, a woman, as a Mataji, as a woman, we have many roles to fulfill. And as Mata Annapurna, she nourishes. As Mata Saraswati, she provides knowledge, she guides. As Mata Lakshmi, she brings abundance to the home. And yeah, there are many aspects of a woman, and how she has a lot of blessing by the Lord, that she can serve so many people in so many different ways. As Mata Lakshmi, she blesses the house. And being a girl, being a woman, being a Mataji, you don't realize you have so much power and so much strength to mold the next generation or the people around you in a way, with her love, with her affection, with her caring nature. Her care is in her prayers. She can melt everyone's heart and push them towards the right path, towards Krishna and towards Krishna consciousness. And for that, we youth need to understand this body which we have gotten it's so energetically strong, because it's a part and parcel of Lord Krishna, that it's naturally very pure, and we need to maintain that level of purity and not use our bodies just for sense gratification, and do certain things in a way that we lose its stage, its energy, its power. That's why I have a video about we should keep ourselves pure. Chastity is so important before and after marriage. That also attracts the soul, which is going to come inside the woman's body. And how the children are going to be, the next generation is going to be. It also affects, like it impacts according to how the couple is, especially the mother. She should be honest, she should be pure, she should be pure from here. The consciousness should be right, eating the right things, not which is tamasic. So all these things affect the next coming generations, and affects also which soul you attract, being a part in your family. So all these things are very important, and इसका practice शादी के बाद नहीं होना चाहिए. इसका practice way before marriage से होना चाहिए. And touch wood, my journey has been in such a way that while I was growing up, I was by God's grace, मैं उस वे में लेती हूँ. मैंने एक दूसरे वीडियो में भी बोला that I was, while growing up, I was on a very healthier side. So it was a mercy of Lord that I was being protected. I take it in that way. Then while growing up, I was so busy while I was working that I didn't get time for distractions, you know. तो कभी ऐसा मौका बना ही नहीं. And then the moment I stopped working, I came to GEV, and then the journey was different. So what I'm trying to say, that by the Lord's mercy, Krishna has always protected me, and he will always protect me, and he does protect everyone. ये वीडियो मुझे इसलिए बनाना था कि मुझे ये बताना है that don't take our bodies so casually that we ruin our soul's journey. Like Prabhupada says, like one fall down is like a gap of millions of years, and we should not go there towards that path. It's very important for the youth to realize that हम क्या किसके साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं. Brahmacharya is very important before marriage and after marriage. After marriage कैसे कह सकते हैं कि गीता में कहा है कि जो हम क्रिया करते हैं उसको हवन जैसा पवित्र माना जा सकता है अगर राइट कॉन्शियसनेस में करे, to bring in souls on the planet and to give them that human form of life so that they can do lots of devotion towards Krishna and they go back to Krishna. So it's a service to Krishna, and that's one of the biggest service to Krishna we as a married couple can do. So it's very very important that we don't take this casually. एंड बहुत ही पवित्र कनेक्शन होता है एक पति पत्नी का, और एक बहुत ही स्पेशल कनेक्शन होता है. दे आर they complete each other. They are half and half. So there should not be any lies, cunningness, selfishness, jealousy, pulling each other down. No. जितना हम अपने फैमिली को, अपने स्पाउस को पुश करने की कोशिश करें, that's very very important. There should be transparency, because apparently they become one, after Pani Grahan, after Saptapadi. So after Saptapadi, after Pani Grahan, all these rituals make sure that there is a higher purpose to marriage. So what I wanted to say in this video is that be careful in what your energies, how you do that, because the more you share your energies with different people and not follow four regulative principles or not follow the part of brahmacharya, then your power starts becoming dull. You become a very dull person. There is no urja, there is no energy, there is no spark, that becomes dull. The moment you start utilizing your body for wrong purposes, the light of that purity of that, वो जो कैसे होता है, वो डायमंड को अगर हम मिट्टी में डालते चले जाए तो उसका शाइन ख़त्म हो जाता है, कम हो जाता है, वैसे ही होता चला जाता है. We have to realize that the moment we start doing the right thing, utilizing our free will correctly, the more powerful we start becoming, the more intuitive we start becoming, the more Krishna conscious we start becoming, the more what I can say is like the more light starts coming in our life, the more we start becoming God conscious, we start becoming more and more happy in our lives. So the path of success, the path of happiness is always being right, thinking right for others, and always doing the right thing according to the shastra, according what's dharma, doing the right thing. And I feel that the more we start thinking about Krishna and taking the actions accordingly, the more it's better for us, because that shows that how much you love God and how much you want to डू द राइट थिंग सो दैट अरे आप भगवान से दूर ना चले जाए. एक आई हैव हर्ड दिस इन अ लेक्चर दैट भगवान से every the person who is on the right path always fears of doing the wrong thing. छोटी चीज़ गलत उसको डर लगता है कि अरे ये गलत ना हो जाए, कुछ कर्म ना क्रिएट हो जाए यहाँ पे, कुछ ये ना हो जाए, सो दैट you'll get away from the Lord's mercy will be taken, और कृष्णा को अपसेट नहीं करना है. वैसे ही होता है. इफ़ वी स्टार्ट डूइंग द रॉन्ग थिंग्स, वी स्टार्ट गोइंग टूवर्ड्स द रॉन्ग थिंग्स, द मर्सी ऑफ द लॉर्ड गुरु महाराज will be taken, and then वो spark कम हो जाता है आपका. You'll go into more darker scenarios, darker situations in life, or towards darkness. ये कहा गया है कि हरिनाम का हम शरण लेते हैं, दैट्स दी टॉप मोस्ट. भगवान चलो माफ़ भी कर देते हैं, बाकी के लोग कभी माफ़ नहीं करेंगे. ऐसा होता है अक्सर कि गुरु महाराज, भगवान, जो कृष्णा राधा रानी महाराज है, दे विल जस्ट let it go. They're like loving parents. But if you do nama aparad, if you do something, if you offend a certain devotee, then Krishna gets upset. And अगर वो upset हुए तो फिर उनके ऊपर कौन है? कोई नहीं है, right? फिर कहाँ जाएंगे हम? Where will we go? So similarly, we need to be careful कि नाम अपराध ना हो, वैष्णव अपराध ना हो, because वो मैंने शायद पहले कहा है कि यशोदा मैया प्रभुपाद से पूछा गया है कि who is above God? So he showed a picture of Yashoda Maiya running behind Krishna with a stick, and he says, a pure devotee, a devotee who is fully surrendered, is Krishna consider the devotees above him, and वो उनके मार खाने के लिए भी तैयार होता है. कृष्ण एक बार आप कृष्ण को जब आप अपना मानते हो, when you start the process of bhakti yoga and you're fully immersed in it, Krishna comes, and Krishna is like, he's there are so many pastimes of the Lord that Krishna has come and done so many things for the devotees, where you will not believe that, oh my God, he's the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and he has come for the devotees and done so many services for the devotees. And when Lord does that, you feel, oh my God, what if it's a big thing. So Krishna just wants our love and affection. So this was a video where I wanted to share that, the future, the next generation, grooming them, it's one of the biggest service the youth is going to have towards Krishna once they are married. And grooming ourselves first is very important. Keeping ourselves pure first is very important. While watching the right thing, eating the right thing, keeping ourselves pure, not doing anything which affects the consciousness and affects the next generations, who will be joining us. So आज का पहला दिन है नवरात्रि का, एंड यही बात कहना चाहती हूँ मैं कि our राधा रानी, she is the source of everything and everyone, and बस उनकी एक महिमा कहना चाहती हूँ. that I just heard in a lecture by S.B. Keshav Swami Maharaj that there was once a devotee who was going to give a lecture for Radhashtami, and he had to give for that entire week till Radhashtami comes. जब तक Radhashtami आती है उस दिन तक उनको रोज़ लेक्चर देना है, कथा सुनानी है. तो वो रोज़ कथा सुनाते हैं about Krishna. he is this, Krishna is that. Krishna, he glorifies Krishna, and he, tells every pastime of the Lord, and, इतने, who is Krishna? He डिटेल में इतने जाता है कि मतलब ही इज द सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी ऑफ गॉड हेड, इज द क्रिएटर ऑफ everything, this, that, and all the pastimes of the Lord. And राधाष्टमी का दिन आता है, people are like, आज भी कृष्ण की कथा है, राधा रानी की पास टाइम कहाँ है. आई थॉट राधा रानी के लेक्चर होगा, के बारे में लेक्चर होगा. सो देन last day, like the Radhashtami day, that Prabhuji says that, and who is Radharani? जो ये सब कुछ कृष्ण के बारे में आपको एक हफ्ते में मैंने बोला, वो खुद राधा रानी के सामने बाव डाउन करते हैं, एंड शी इज़ राधा रानी. तो नवरात्रि के इस मौके पे मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ दैट अ वुमन हैज़ so much power, so much compassion, kindness inside of her, and she can try to change everything around her with with for a better purpose, for a good cause, for good. She can change everything with her love, and we all are Radha Rani's she's our eye, so we need to make her proud and stick to her teachings. And yes, this was a small video which I wanted to make. So yeah, please be careful and always think good for others, be honest, and keep chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, follow 4 regulative principles. Hare Krishna.